Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this quick little tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the TikTok you're following too fast error. This is still a frequent issue that so many people encounter. So without further ado, let's get started right away. So whenever you tap the plus button just beside someone's name, if it shows up with a message that says you're following too fast, what it really means is that TikTok tries to stop bots from going in and automatically following loads of users, which is basically very similar to how they prevent unusual behavior on Instagram and Twitter. When they suspect that you're following users too quickly, they'll limit your account for quite some time. And I've just seen a couple of videos where people advise heading to their profile, then into their settings, cleaning the cache and reporting the problem to the TikTok. But I promise none of these will work. Do not even bother wasting your time with those, since in the end, it's just an algorithm that decides if you've been involved in suspicious activities, and if that's so, when to resolve or free your account. So all of that depends on just how many instances this has occurred and how heinous TikTok deems your activities are. If this was the first time you've done something like this, and it really wasn't a great deal, you didn't follow a large number of users only slightly over their thresholds, they will just limit your account for the next several hours. If you keep repeating the same thing, they might actually begin restricting it just for days or even weeks. And if it's really big a problem, they might suspend your account. But in the end, all you can do is be patient and wait for the algorithm to decide to lift your restrictions. Well, that's it. Simply put, all you want to do is sit tight. I know it sucks, but there's nothing anyone could do to speed up the process. The single most important thing you could do would be to try to not follow TikTok when you follow someone. I hope this was informative. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and please like this video.